Fine, let me start solving the second problem based on, see, the Sainik School entrance examination of 2020. Fine, let us go with this here. So the problem is based on LCM and as well as HCF. Yeah. So read the problem carefully. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is what? That is the question. They have given the option 120, correct? So 120 they have given, 60, 80 and 40. Now what they have given? They have given three numbers and as well as LCM. So LCM of these three numbers is equal to 2400, correct? Now these numbers are in the ratio, but we don't know the numbers, but it is in the ratio. That's what I will make it as. The numbers will be 3x, 4x and 5x. Now observe the numbers 3, 4 and as well as 5. You forget about the x. So these 3, 4 and 5 is not possible to divide by each other. So that's what the LCM of 3 and 4 and 5 will be 3, 4, 5 itself, correct? Because you can't divide. So now what happens here? See the numbers, now the LCM of these numbers will be 3 into 4 into 5 into x. That is going to be 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 60x. 60x is what? The LCM. Now they have already given LCM is 2400. Now we are supposed to find the x. So 60x is equal to 2400. So now x is equal to 2400 that divided by 60. When you transfer the 60, that is which is in the left hand side, to the right hand side, you are supposed to divide. If it is in multiplication, if it is in addition or subtraction format, then you are supposed to change the sign. So that's what x is equal to here. What happens? 0 0 will be cancelled. 6 1s are 6 4s are. So x is equal to 40 we got. Now let me substitute this particular the value of x to here, that is 3x is to 4x is to 5x. Now 3x is how much? 3 into 40. 3 into 40, which is going to be 120, that is first number. 4 into 40, which is going to be 160, second number, and third number is 5 into 40, which is 200. Now we are supposed to find this, the HCF of 120, 160 and 200. Let us go with that. So 120, 160, 200. So you know how to find the HCF. Otherwise directly you can write the 40 is the answer. This is what the answer is. But let us check out here. 120 by using division method, I will go with that. 120 divided by 160. 120 120. What is the answer? 120. What is the remainder we got? 40. 40 divided by 120, that is 43 is 120. So 0 0 0 now. The HCF between 120 and 160 is 40, right? Now we are supposed to find the HCF of this 40 with 200, 40 and 200. Now what you need to do, you are supposed to divide the 200 by 40. 45 is 200. It is divided completely. So that's what the HCF of those three numbers is 40. The answer here is D.